Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrummy Quick Designs, and today I have a new fun tool to share with you that's from Cricut. Today they released the Cricut Foil Transfer Kit. It's super cool. I can't wait to give you a good overview here, but I wanted to let you know that it is for Cricut Maker and Cricut Explore owners. Yes, this tool fits in both machines. Unlike some of the other tools made just for the Maker, this one is made for the Explore and the Maker users, all right? It does not fit in the Cricut Joy, however. Sorry about that. Now, it is available right now at Cricut.com, just in time to get it in for the holidays, to start your holiday crafting. I have it linked up in the description of my video. I appreciate you using my link. That helps me continue to make videos and support you guys at no additional cost to you. So thanks for using my link when you shop at Cricut.com. Now, if you purchase $50 or more, you can use my promo code SMQDSAVE, the number 10, and you get an additional 10% off plus free shipping in the US and Canada. Now, if you're a Cricut Access subscriber, you also get an additional 10% off, so those savings really start to add up. All right, so let's take a look at this. I'm doing a quick overview of this. This tool just came out. I do not have mine yet. I will have it very soon, and I will be doing some tutorial videos for you guys, but I wanted to give you an overview of everything. So the first thing is, it is the Cricut Foil Transfer Kit. The kit is $39.99. It comes with the tool, the three blades that go with it, and it comes with 12 sheets of the transfer foil. Now, this is special transfer foil from Cricut. I'm not sure if this is going to work with any other foil. I haven't tested that yet. It will work with the Cricut transfer foil. Now, instead of this being a heat process like some other products on the market, this just has a unique pressure setting and material using this Cricut transfer foil that allows it to transfer onto your project when you draw with it, basically, with using your Cricut machine. So this is what it is. It's the foil transfer kit. Now let's take a look at the tool. So this is the housing. So it has a housing that comes with it, and it comes with 3 tips. So there is a fine tip, a medium tip, and a bold tip. Now this is great for transferring foil onto cards and invitations and gift boxes and all kinds of things like that. It's going to give you long-lasting results, and it's going to look beautiful. Now this is what it's going to look like when you use the different tips. So there's the fine tip. You can see the medium tip and then the bold tip. And changing the tips out is really easy. This is a plunger housing, so you just push it down with your finger, and then there's 3 tips here that you will put into the device. So it's super easy to switch them out, and on the same project you can even switch out in between the tips if you want. Now, it goes on the B side of your Cricut housing, whether you have the Cricut Maker or the Cricut Explore machine. It's going to go on the B side, and you will take out the fine tip blade housing, and you'll just put in the foil blade housing. You'll notice here, you'll start to see that once you put it in, you're going to select an image and design space that is like a drawing type, and then you're going to switch it over to foil, and then you'll be able to pick which of the tips you're using for that particular part of the image. And you can even change the color, because yes, there's color foil too. So right here you can see where it is doing it here on this, where it is drawing the image. So really cool. Now it's transferring that onto some material. So all different types of card stocks, I'll go over that in a minute, but it's going to transfer onto a lot of different paper type products, and you'll have it on your Cricut mat. You'll put your piece of cardstock down onto your Cricut mat like you normally would, but then you can place your foil on top of that cardstock, and you see these white strips on here. That is adhesive tape that you hold the foil down in place so that when the tool is running over it, it is going to stay smooth and not pop up on you, okay? And the tape comes with the kit, and let's take a look at that. So you're going to get, with the kit, you're going to get 12 sheets. So you'll get 6 silver and 6 gold, and you're going to get, I think it's 48 strips to be able to hold the material onto your base project. The different things, Cricut's got a list out here at Cricut.com in their help file that lets you know what materials it will do. But real quick, I'm just going to tell you: light cardstock, medium cardstock, heavy cardstock, deluxe paper, watercolor paper, pearl paper, vellum, printable vinyl, printable sticker paper, craft board, matte board, poster board, copy paper, photo paper, glossy photo paper even, and matte photo paper, and even faux leather, guys. Okay, so you'll be able to transfer foil using this tool on any of those types of materials. Now, there are additional transfer sheets that are available, so you're going to get 12 4x6 sheets with the toolkit, but they also have an 8 count of foil transfer sheets that are 12x12s in gold and in silver, and they even have a jewel sampler pack where you get 24 sheets. There's 3 colors here. There's a green and kind of a plum and an aqua color, and you're going to get 8 sheets of the 3 colors in this pack. Okay, so when you're trying to grab and get a little bit more in your shopping cart, maybe grab some more foil, because we know right now we can only use the Cricut foil with this. Now, just as an example, out at the Cricut blog right now, they have some beautiful pictures that some of their designers have already used the tool, and this is one of them, guys. This is cardstock that they made, you know, a box out of with their Cricut, but look what they did. They even took a flower and did the design on top of that flower and then put that box together. This is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful. I cannot wait to make something like this, and I will be doing a tutorial to show you guys how to do that because I think it's really awesome. Another photo that they had out there is showing you that you can do it on a card, right? That would come to mind readily, but I want you guys to notice here that it is actually 2 different kinds of foil. So they used the aqua foil and the green foil and could switch out between those to make their project using the Cricut Foil Transfer Tool and the Cricut Foil Transfer Sheets. Here's another one that's really nice. This is using it on the faux leather. Look how pretty that looks. Looks really nice. That's the gold it looks like on the faux leather. And one more picture. Of course, we've got holidays coming up, right? So think about your tags, your Christmas cards, maybe even wrapping paper, like if you weren't going to do a small package, anything like that would be really beautiful using this technique. So this is the Cricut Foil Transfer Kit. It's $39.99. It's available right now at the Cricut shop. Run out and get it now so you can get yours right away and start your holiday crafting with it. Or maybe wedding invitations or baby invitations. I can think of all kinds of things I'm going to use this tool for. As soon as I get it in my hot little hands, I will be doing tutorial videos for you guys, so don't worry about that part. But just in case, Cricut at Cricut.com/help, they have a whole bunch of frequently asked questions, and they also give you lots of tips on how to do things, you know, like little picture tutorials step by step. So if you get your tool before I have mine to show you guys, you can go out there and look too. But I hope you guys are excited about this. Let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know if this is something you're interested in. I think it's really fun, and I love the fact that it's not, I don't have to plug it in. It's not a heat element, and I cannot wait to really put this through the ringer and show you guys some fun projects made with this. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, you can always come join us in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group, where we have a lot of fun with other crafters, inspiring and helping each other with our Cricut. Happy crafting, everybody.